In this video, we will examine the fourth condition required for a squeeze play, condition E in the acronym BLU. The E stands for entry. However, before we describe the condition itself, let's try to build up some intuition around it. We can't have both threat cards in the same hand as the squeeze card, because if our hand has enough room for all three, then the opponent's hand has enough room for both guard cards and a card to play underneath the squeeze card. Looking at it another way, if our hand has both threat cards and the squeeze card, and dummy has nothing relevant, then we have two losers and we are missing condition L. So we need at least one of the threat cards to be in the other hand opposite the squeeze card. And this isn't good enough either. We're locked out of the dummy, and we can't cash that threat card if it develops into a trick. So now we need transportation to that other hand. And even with that, we're stuck. When we play the ace of diamonds, our left-hand opponent and dummy can both follow suit, and our right-hand opponent is safe to discard a spade. What are we going to play next? If we play the king of hearts, our right-hand opponent can claim both of the last two tricks. If instead we play a club to the ace, then we have abandoned the heart threat. There is no way we can get back to it. And our right-hand opponent is safe to discard the heart guard, and they will win the last trick with the spade guard. So, to prevent this, the entry to the other hand must be in one of the threat suits. That way, our right-hand opponent is stuck discarding or unprotecting one of the guard cards on the squeeze card itself, and now the squeeze will work. And that is condition E, the entry condition. We must have at least one of the threat cards in the hand opposite the squeeze card, and we must have an entry to that other hand in one of the threat suits. And that is condition E.